Hello. Yes. Good morning, baby. Yes, I heard you. I heard you. Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna go. You gonna stretch? Yeah. We're gonna go. Okay, let's get you out. Let's get you out. Stop. You scare me when you do that. Hmm? Yeah, I know. I worry. But sometimes I don't know what you're doing. Hmm? Okay. Let's get you out of this thing. Okay. Babe. No. You can't be coughing just for fun. Hmm? You're scaring me. I know. But you're scaring me. Hmm? You scared Daddy when you do that. Let's go eat.